Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will show how to view my Gmail password in mobile. We start by opening the Google app. After that, we click on the profile icon, and then once we have selected the account we want, we enter Google account. Next, we are going to go to the security category. Inside there, we scroll down, and within Password Manager, we will click on Manage Passwords. Here, if we have our passwords stored, we can click on the Google option since the accounts with our saved passwords will appear there. To see the password, click on the eye icon that appears, and this way we can see the password of our Google account with which we also access Gmail. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.